everyone. Happy Friday. I want to talk to you a little bit about your essays so far. So I want to remind you that you need to have at least 10 sources, and those sources should come from the library. At least 3 of them should be peer-reviewed. That means you click the little box, or whenever you come up with them, they're journals. They're from a reputable journal. So the first thing they need to do is have that hook to grab the audience's attention. The second thing is to provide a background. How is this topic relevant to society? So you also want to think about a chronological view. So when did the issue start? When was a peak? Like when did it maybe become most popular? Where does it stand today? And your thesis statement should be, how could this serve society? What should we know? And so it might be that, I'm just going to give an example from someone's essay. Music education has valuable benefits and is currently being threatened in this way. And then you talk about it. It could be effects and solutions. But please do look at my comments. Please reach out to me via cell phone. I'm available on the weekends, during the evenings. So please don't hesitate to reach out if you're feeling stuck. Another great resource is the Writing Center. You can go in there. If I were a student, I would be in there. That's how I was with math. I would just be working on my homework. And then if I had a question, someone would be there to help. So I would think about those things. Remember, it's a pretty good chunk of your grade, so I want you to do well. Also, think about that Honors Impact Project. You've completed the seminar. If you'd like, you could take a seminar in biology for next semester. And you would have to, it's seminar 203. You can get that done with your advisor. But if not, you'll do an impact project. You do not need to be registered. Your advisor doesn't need to do anything. You need to find a mentor to assist you. It would be an extra project like completing a review for an assignment. And then I would challenge you to find your professor with whom you'll be working and email it to me by finals week, and I'll send out an email as well. But don't hesitate to ask any questions. Have a great weekend, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.